everyone. Should have gone sunrise to fish at 7 o'clock. Tourist still not pulled up. Ik wacht nog altijd voor mijn love. Waar is die? Oh. His timing is me off. To fish. Always fishing low tide. That's why we're blanking, you know? Choose your friends wisely.
Now the man look fat.
Yeah, nah, you might be staying up at 5, my bro. Someone saw the sunrise session, nah?
We zijn niet fully up yet though.
My bro, the sun is up already.
We zijn still in the praat.
Verdoet en spraat. Sun is in the face. Where we fishing today? I don't know. You say, I don't know. I say Max, but you don't want to go there.
I think I have a spot in mind.
You do? Where's this?
I know it.
Okay, it's a surprise. It's a surprise, Owens. Ladies.
It's not looking to
Yeah.
today.
The sun must stay down, but it mustn't like be high. Don't want the sunburn today.
I know bring up today.
Yeah. Again, this man like to see my stuff, my bro. My umbrella, my choker, my cotton, even my knife. Yo. Oh, I don't own the rights to the song of it, guys. Sorry, it's just the radio. Anyway. The water is vlak. Yeah, this is Noordwijk. This is flat and clean. Yeah, I don't know how today's gonna go. Might as well just fish for gullies. And maybe see where we can get warm. Does it look like Steenbras water? Not really, but I don't know. I don't even know what Steenbras water look like. I'm talking through my neck here. Anyway. So update. Nothing yet. Absolutely nothing. Where's Turi? Turi's trying for live is lazy. But there's nothing going on. There's a guy with the undersized cobby. Looks like it came out from prawn. Through prawn, but yeah, there's like millions of blue bottles on the beach. So springs tomorrow, if I'm not mistaken. I'll show you guys now. How many blue bottles is like here by us. The water came up quite high this morning, looks like it. Hey, the lighting is gone now, but check out all those blue bottles, bruh. What's some plastic? It's like thousands. Everywhere you walk, it's just pop, pop. Blue bottles popping. Yeah, they. It's like. There's a booze a lot. Yeah. Like gone until that. Oh, it's a lot. Turi, how long has the streak been now? The blanking streak? Huh?
It's been
6.
not even a small pool.
Not even smart. But it's you, man. I blame you.
No.
You me come fish on the wrong times.
Yes.
But it's you.
If you look at the water, turn the camera up there. Show the water.
Yeah?
If you look at the water, there's not a wave inside. Not one wave inside.
Yeah,
So do you really expect us to get fish here?
definitely not.
I
But
think
I
it's time
mean,
to move. To oneself.
we must go home.
Oneself.
Yeah, the trusty Loomis. And I always catch fish on this rod. Yeah. Next today, bruh.
You've been playing with it since 2020.
Yeah. It's been a long time, guys. It's been a long
I
time.
say it's a lucky rod.
Yeah, but last year I didn't fish really. I didn't fish really last year, so.
No, I didn't know they take so long with the visas.
Nah, you know what? I got married last year, man, so it was only time. What did you say when you got married? What?
No. When I got married, I didn't know it was a fish.
Yeah, exactly. And you got married a year before me. Correct? You got 23, 22.
21.
Oh, yeah, nah, there's not. But still, you also didn't fish that year when I was fishing and then I actually caught fish.
So you blame me?
Yeah, I blame you.
And I always used to catch when you were with me.
Yeah.
I
I always used to go fetch your fish.
Yes.
You know what? I don't even know where that jacket is, man. But that wasn't a jacket.
See, this is why we're so unlucky, because you lost the jacket.
The jacket is somewhere in the house. I don't know. My sweater from Timo Owens. But you also have a
I also have one.
Isn't that from Shein?
Oh, yeah, it's from Shein, yeah.
The one you had on Thursday. Was it Wednesday?
I don't know. That one was from...
That one is from Timo. Timo come there, Owens. Must buy you
All the
fishing.
fishing needs.
Yeah.
The promo code is FFB.
He's lying. Dat is het dus lying. Man, is het hier so kop aan. But what you say van Zeils, we must ook daar nie. That's if there's people there. No, not well. But that's if there's people there. But the slip.
No, you're working on a spot. Dog spot is smooth.
Hey bro, any pool will do now. We're just fishing for the vibes now. We're not fishing for fish, we're just fishing for vibes. We must what? Become more hardworking fishermen. This is now our second day for the week. I think we must like come 5 days a week.
Yo, then it's 5 blanks. You must choose wisely.
What do you say?
I said at least I didn't blank last night on the harbor.
My bro, that's you catching bait.
I'm still catching.
Still fishing, nah?
Yeah.
Yeah, oh,
Yo, I need a rod sack now.
I wish. Especially on the bait that you caught last night. No? They say when you catch your own bait, that's when you catch a fish.
Can you remember that day that you were pumping in the rain?
Yeah.
That CM Russell.
It was a nice few brush. And then
Todd, like 2 months going.
Todd was sitting in the car because he was scared of the rain. He's like, nah, I don't want to pump in the rain.
Yeah, I missed Todd.
Update, so we're spotting to the next location. Not like we're gonna catch anything, but we're going. Huh? Okay. Okay, I get you. Now we're gonna catch now, Owens. Fingers crossed. Actually, my toes are crossed. Huh?
You must change your YouTube name now, really.
To what?
For the upload. We all need to keep the links.
Oh, okay, nah, but we must stick to it. Because, I mean, even though we're going to catch, we are going to blank as well.
Yeah. Speak for yourself, boss.
Okay,
Speak for
okay.
yourself, boss.
I get you. Huh?
This videos, né? Can't just be talking and bait presentations, né?
I
There
know.
has to be action.
Exactly. Now that is what we're trying to get. Action. That's why we're moving. We're trying to get the action.
The action.
Yeah. Yeah, we always choose the worst days to fish. Huh? Water is very clean. Skoon. Baie skoon.
Yo, check in between like that two rolling waves you can see the bar.
The bar. Wow. So the wind direction change now from north to southwest. It's pumping. The water is pushing. It's bad. And it's another blank. The face of a defeated man.
Nee, gewoon.
Yeah. Another day. Another blank. Do they can we fish the conditions next time and not just go fish just to go fish? Huh?
Of course.
Okay. But you must not fishing now this week. Man must go work. But until the next one, the fishing video turned into a fishing vlog.